Unboxing time. Let's see what Viinyx can really do. Look at this sleek interface, super modern and clean. I'm genuinely excited to try this AI browser assistant. Viinyx promises instant text and image generation online. It's an all-in-one tool, no switching tabs or apps needed. Let's dive in and see how it works on my favorite site. I open a blank page. Viinyx is right there, ready to help. Type a prompt for a blog intro. Watch this. Instantly, Viinyx generates a polished intro paragraph. No lag, no fuss, just seamless AI-powered writing. Now let's try creating an image for social media. Describe the image I want, and Viinyx delivers instantly. The result? Crisp, creative visuals, no extra software needed. I'm impressed by how fast and accurate the outputs are. Viinyx integrates directly into any website I'm using. No more copying, pasting, or switching between tools. Everything happens right where I'm working. So convenient. For content creators, this means faster brainstorming sessions. Remote workers can reply to emails with AI-generated text. Digital marketers get instant ad copy and visuals. Viinyx adapts to any workflow. Seriously boosts productivity. I tested it on Google Docs, Twitter, and my blog. Everywhere I go, Viinyx is available with one click. No complicated setup. Just install and start creating. I love that it saves me so much time every day. The AI suggestions are surprisingly relevant and creative. I tried generating a product description. Super easy. Viinyx gave me multiple options to choose from. If I need to tweak something, it's instant feedback. The image generation is just as impressive. Describe what you want. Viinyx brings it to life. No more searching for stock photos or templates. This is perfect for social posts, presentations, or ads. The integration is smooth, no glitches or slowdowns. I haven't found any major downsides so far. It's intuitive, even if you're not tech-savvy. Viinyx's real strength is its versatility. Text, images, ideas, all generated instantly, anywhere. If you work online, this is a total game changer. Let's talk about productivity. Viinyx speeds up every task. I finish blog posts and social content in half the time. For marketers, it's like having an AI creative partner. Remote teams can collaborate faster and smarter. Viinyx keeps everything in one place, no distractions. I recommend it for anyone who creates online content. If you want to boost your workflow, give it a try. AppSumo has the best deal for Viinyx right now. Don't miss out. Check out the offer before it's gone. Viinyx is a must-have for creators, marketers, and remote workers. It's genuinely changed how I approach online work. From text to images, everything is just a click away. I'm keeping Viinyx in my daily toolkit for sure. Try Viinyx today and see the difference yourself. Head to AppSumo for exclusive pricing and bonuses. Upgrade your workflow. Viinyx makes online creation effortless. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. See you next time.